My birthday present, Tito and Tita and Ate and Kuya's. So this is from Tita Dorothy. This is from Ate Jasmine, but I mixed up. It's from Ate Jetro, and this is from Ate Jetro, and this is from my mama. This is from Ate Jasmine. This is from my family and family. And these are the cards.
This is the big one. From Kuya Jed.
Is from Kuya Jed and
Tita
Erlinda.
Erlinda. And this the book as well.
And the hair book from I think this.
What's that?
And
Oh, it's a makeup kit. Thank you everyone for making Kylie happy. Did you enjoy your birthday, Kylie?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Happy birthday, Kylie. Happy birthday again. It's your birthday today.
Let me find it.
Bye. And that's my ate.
Hello.
Ate Fraylin reading my Pokemon
Wait,
book.
find it.